welcome back to Deacon and Sophie show.
I'm Deacon.
I'm Sophie, and today is all about the exploding popcorn.
So guys, for this we are going to use foil, a lot of popcorn, and we are going to use oil, and that's basically it, guys. So we have a nice hot fire, guys.
Yep. So guys, we have a bowl here, and Deacon's trying to burn the popcorn.
Yep, our popcorn's getting ready to pop.
Yep,
So.
and I'm gonna catch the popcorn, and we might eat it. So guys,
We have one pop so far.
yeah.
That means we're gonna get some more, but oh, I just felt another. There's a pop. All right, guys, it's starting to go now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there it goes. Oh, there it starts. Yep, it's gonna pop. Oh my gosh.
Try to get Deacon.
Well, guys, a lot of it's starting to pop out now.
Yeah.
It's starting to fly. There. Oh my gosh. Oh! Shoot.
Oh my God, it's starting to go.
Oh! I'm gonna move it towards the flames a little. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Catch it, Sophie! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! Ah! It's starting to pop! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh!
Oh, Deacon.
Oh!
You can do it, Big Bubba.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Get him, Sophie! Woo. Oh, it hit Sophie on the head! No! Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my!
In my face.
Oh!
I would like that
Oh my god!
instead of my own.
Oh my gosh! Look at it! That's scary. Oh! 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 My gosh! Oh my gosh! Guys! It's popping!
It's time to get
Ow! It just hit me in the leg.
Deacon. Come on.
Get it, get it, get it. No, there's only a couple kernels left. It fell off.
So guys, so far, none in the back bowl from batch one. Poppy corn, poppy corn. Oh, poppy, 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 poppy corn. Poppy corn, popcorn.
Wow, guys, that was cool. I guess we're gonna stick to the microwave kind, though, aren't we, Sophie?
Yeah.
But make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification so you never miss out on any videos like these. And we'll see you next one. Bye.
Meow, meow, meow. Deacon the Sophie Show. Please subscribe. By the way, comment teacher. What did a pufferfish say to a pufferfish? I'm bloated.